Good morning mga idol. Ngayong araw magpapalit tayo ng brake pad ng ating Raider150.
Sana all.
Kailangan natin gamit ito, range na 12mm, saka alin range screw.
Hindi totoo yan.
Isa na natin. Siyempre bago ko makalimutan ito na nabili ko ng 120. Hanap ko ng magandang klase kaso wala. Pero subukan natin ito. So mga idol, tatanggalin natin tong cover dito, guma. Saka na natin luwagan to. Kami tayo ng allen range. Yan. Gamit tayo ng screw mga idol. Try natin itulak to. Yan. Yan. Hugutin na natin yung hindi na natin tanggalin yung lumang brake pad nya. Yan. Wala na, pudpud na siya, kaya kailangan na nating magpalit. Huwag na nating hintay na bakal sa bakal na yung tatama dito sa ating disc brake para masira. Palitan na natin. Then to, sunod na gagawin natin, gamit tayo ng deducing wrench o llave. Matigas. Ayan. Tanggalin natin to para maitulak natin yung caliper niya papunta doon para makasingit yung bagong brake pad natin.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Future irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I never never made. Is a vacant, on a kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Ganun lang kadali mga
I
idol.
don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
Bilis.
for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, listen fast, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious.
So yun nga mga idol, nakatapos na tayo mag palit ng brake pad ng ating Raider150. Yan. So sana may nakuha kayong aral o may natutunan kayo sa ating talakayan. Maraming salamat sa panonood.